Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of February. And if you guys are interested in what I got this month, just keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also before I forget, I will be linking my Boxycharm unboxing for this month as well in the description box if you guys are interested. But yeah, let's just begin. So Ipsy is actually pretty new to me. This is only my second box ever. I'm interested to see what I got this month. I did get a good box last month, at least I thought it was a good box, but it's not as good as Boxycharm in my opinion. But it was a good box. So let's see what I got in here. This is also the same price as the Boxycharm, so $25 every single month. So that's what it looks like inside. The theme is Feel the Love. So very Valentine's-y. That's really cute. I don't really see the prices for the products, so I don't know what's going on. Alright, so let's just move past it. I will just try to look it up for you guys as I go. First thing in here is from Il Maquillage, and this is the ink liner in the shade Black, of course. This is $21 for this one. I did get an eyeliner last box, so I mean I'm not really mad about this one because I do use a lot of eyeliners. This is just the kind of like the felt tip kind of an eyeliner, and let's see. Okay, it's just your typical eyeliner. Again, this is for $21. Then the next thing in here is from Bell and or I don't know how to say that, but I will just leave the name right here and the price. So this is in the shade 3 Place 206, and the website says $22 for this one. Let's see what the color is. It does have a pretty good weight to it, so, but I've never heard of this brand before. This is actually new to me. Ooh, that looks really fancy. So that's what the packaging looks like. Okay. Okay, never mind. As soon as you take the cap off, it feels very light. Alright, so this is what my shade looks like. I'm pretty happy with the shade because these are the type of shades that I use a lot. They're kind of like a nude, pinkish, like brick shade. So it's like a nude shade for sure. That's what it is. And I guess this is like a matte lipstick. Again, this is for $22. The next one is from Dominic Cosmetics. This is the, I'm sure this is like the sweater weather or something like that eyeshadow palette. And ooh, I like how the palette is textured outside. Let me see how much this is. I guess this is for $29 on the Dominic Cosmetics website, and these are the shades right here. I've never really tried anything from Dominic Cosmetics before, and I'm pretty excited to get this one, although I might not be, I don't know if I'm even gonna use these shades. They are very like, they're pastel, they're very light colors, but I don't know. I might use the browns in the taupe, the dark brown, but I don't know. I don't know about this purple shade right here. I might use the pink. I guess for the most part I'll be using the shades. I don't know. Again, this is for $29 from Dominic Cosmetics. Then the next item is from Wonder Beauty. This is the Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation, and I got the shade tan. Let me look up the price. So the website says it retails for $40. That's what it is. Let me open it because I'm interested to see if this will match me. It kind of looks dark in the tube, but we shall see though. Ooh. I like how it is a doe foot applicator right here, and I guess it might work. It feels very lightweight and very watery, so that feels, it's actually good. So it claims to be weightless fluid foundation formulated for full coverage. So it's a full coverage with a natural radiant finish. We shall see about that. And this has about 1.01 fluid ounces, so pretty good size. And the last few items are sheet masks right here. And first one, we got the kale and vitamin B. Looks like that. This one is ginger and vitamin C. Last one is beet and vitamin A. Pretty excited about those. I love sheet masks. I actually have a gazillion of them, so I don't mind getting them though, so I'm pretty excited. So at Target, they are $3.50 each. I don't see anything that's like a value pack of 3, so I'm just gonna go off of $3.50 each. Oh, that is that. Pretty cool. I like these masks. And then last, of course, is the Ipsy bag, and it looks like that. It's very plain and simple. I don't know how I feel about this, and that's what, can you see the zipper? That's what the zipper looks like. Roomy, all in all, and it has the Ipsy logo on the inside. So I mean, I'm not too happy about the box. Definitely the only thing I'm very happy about are the sheet masks. Pretty excited to use these. Everything else, I mean, the Dominic Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, it's okay, not my shades. The foundation, I'm excited. I'm a foundation junkie, but we shall see how this even works on my skin, because I do have a very oily skin type. And then the eyeliner, I'm always glad to get eyeliners, and then the lipstick. So if I were to rate this from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, I would rate it a 7.5, only because it's like eh. And on top of that, I'm very upset that they didn't send a pamphlet with all the prices of the products. And even though they didn't do that, I had to research it myself so I can give you guys the value of the whole box. Again, I only paid $25 for this whole thing, and the value is $122.50. I don't know. I want to hear your guys' thoughts on this box. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Is it okay? I don't know. I don't know either. But I think personally this month Boxycharm won because of all the goodies that I got. Again, I will link it below so you guys can see what I got this month from Boxycharm. Yes, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!